Okay, this is a 1999 Ford Explorer, or Expedition, sorry. Well, we're starting to get to the ball joints and shocks are in now. These are what we're going to be putting on there. They're replacements for the airbags this truck did not have. So hopefully this will give us some support. Also got the keys here. Those should give it a 1 to 3 inch lift. Also started doing the electrical. And there you have to take the battery out, take the battery box out, the holder, move the windshield wiper, because the wires that Meyer gave us for this were way too short to get all the way back to there where I preferred to put them. So instead I mounted the solenoid down in there. I get the wire going there, and I made a new cable coming up to here. These are the two relays for the high and low beams. I still didn't hook them up. I still got to do the running to the lights. That's looking pretty good. Here's the neutral. It's just negative. It's just going to go to there. Well, yeah, goofy spot to put that, but you know. Okay. Now for the headlights. I pulled the bezel out here. And this switch here is for it's a 2-pole, high beam, low beam. Here's a switch here, about a 10-pack for like $5. I got this little notch there. I don't know if you can see it. So that's so it won't spin. So I went up just starting with a 1/4 inch drill bit and drilled it, and I went to the step drill, stepped it all the way down because this goes up to 3/4. Then what I did was I took that little handheld hacksaw here. I cut that little notch out, so now it can't spin. So this will be our high and low beam. Yeah, we're getting there, slowly but surely. You can tell we get the framing better. I still got to do the cross beam, so when I do that I'll videotape how we bolted this on. Got the wires pretty much all tied together. I still got to do the headlights. You know, well, we'll see.